Hey everybody, this is just a real quick video to show you how to edit the My List. Like if you add things to add to My List, it's a list of things that you want to watch, or you could also call it your queue. If you want to edit that, it's real simple. They make it real easy. All you need to do is navigate up to the top. You see up at the top here, it actually says My List. So you're just going to go up here and click on My List, and you will get your list of things that you've checked that you want to watch later. And just using the normal technique that you did to actually put it on here, you're going to just do the exact same thing. So that means to remove it from your list, you're just going to want to hover over it. And this works basically the same on a television. I'm obviously on a laptop right now, but this basically works the same on a laptop, a phone, or a television. You're going to hover over it, and you'll see that there's this check mark in the middle here. This check mark means that it's on your list, and if you hover over it, you'll see you'll get the option remove from my list. So if you click on it, it will be removed from your list. It just disappeared. So anyways, hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.